Good morning, children. How are you all? All are good now? Very good. I know you are the good children. Don't go outside. Safe in the home. Watch the videos, write the questions and write the answers and send to your WhatsApp group. Okay. So, what we discussed? So, what is our lesson name? What is the name of our lesson? Yeah, what I way? All are having the textbook no? So, the page number is page number 9. Lesson name what I wear page number 9. So, we successfully completed the page number 9 and 10. Okay. Now, we are discussing about the page number 11 and some topic in the page number 12. Okay. So, now we will discuss the how cloth is made. We discussed now spinning, weaving, coloring. Okay, so we want a plain clothes. We like it. Do you like to wear the plain clothes? No, we want different designs. No, so what we do? We want to design the clothes. So many types of process are there. So what is that? Today we are going to discuss. Okay, so before that we discussed only dyeing clothes, only colors. Okay. Now if we take the different kinds of designs, we will discuss now. So creating patterns. Creating, what is today's topic is creating patterns. So what is today's our topic? Creating patterns, nothing but the designs. Okay, so simple plain saree, do you like it? Sometimes we will wear, but every day we are wearing the plain clothes, no? Somewhat we don't like it, no? So we want to design, we want designs, different kinds of designs. So now we will discuss about that only. How we will make designs? Listen now. So various designs and patterns are made on cloth using different methods. So not only simple designs, no? We want a beautiful variety of designs. So different patterns, different methods are there to give design to our clothes. So what are that? Now you listen. Tie and dye method. Children, what is the first method? First method is tie and dye. Tie and dye method. Okay. So pattern is nothing but the affixed designs. Pattern is nothing but the affixed design, decorative designs. Okay, so in that many creative designs are there. So we will use the different types. Okay, in that first type is tie and dye method. So what is tie and dye method? We will discuss now. The tie and dye method is used in creating designs. Already we are discussing that only now. Creating designs only now. So what is meant by tying and dyeing method? Dyed cloth can be folded, twisted and tied in any pattern of our choice. This method is practiced widely in Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, so simple children. So in this only there, in this sentence only there, the type only that, tie and dye. Okay, so what is that? We are twisting the cloth, we are rolling the cloths. Okay, we are taking the cloth, piece of cloth, we are twisting it, wrapping it, folding it. Okay, after dyeing. So, after dyeing cloth, after coloring only, we can fold the cloth. Okay, we can dye the cloth, we can tie the cloth, we can wrap the cloth. Okay, so that process is called tie and dye method. Okay, so mostly this tie and dye method is using in Gujarat and Rajasthan. So, mostly this tie and dye method is using in Gujarat and Rajasthan states. Okay, so Gujarat and Rajasthan, this method is using tie and dye method. Very simple method now. We can also do it. So first dye the cloth, color the cloth. We can make it twisting, wrapping and folding. That method is called a tie and dye method. So remember the states, means many states are coming, means different of pattern, different designs are used in different in our states. All are following the not same method, children. Okay, some states are following some then designs also, some kinds of clothes are belong to only that stage. That is why these patterns are different our states. Okay, states are there, no? So in different states they are using the different types of method. Okay, so like that, this tie and dye method mostly they are used in the Gujarat and Rajasthan. Okay, so that is about the tie and dye method. Next method we will discuss about the block printing. Block BLOCK, not BLACK, black. Block printing. Second method of designing is, what is that second method? Block printing. Block printing. If you listen carefully the video now, you will understand easily, children. So listen the video carefully. So block printing. So in that only there, tie and dye method, how it is easy now? Here also using blocks. What blocks now? Wooden blocks for printing purpose. So that is the meaning of block printing. Okay. So in detail we will discuss. So this topic is in the page number 12. This topic is in the page number 12. So if you want to see that, if you want to read, open the page number 12. Okay, page number 12 and open it while looking the video. Follow this method. So page number 12, open it and on the video, and while I am reading now, just you put the finger in that and you can observe carefully. Then you know where the hard words are there, no? You know how to pronounce it. Okay, so do it. Then you know very well. You are very expert in the reading. Okay, now listen. Block printing. Wooden blocks are created on which various designs are carved. Means making the designs on the cloth. After this, different colors are applied on the raised surface of the block. This block is then pressed upon a piece of cloth to create patterns. This process is now used on paper also. Not only on the cloth, it is used on the papers also. Not only on the cloth, papers also using. So what is this method? Wooden blocks are there, children. Wooden blocks, what they want to, which design they want to know, that design is carving on the wood. Okay, so what they do first? The wooden blocks are created on which various designs are there. Various different kinds of designs are there. They can make it on the wood block. Okay, next, after these different colors are applied on the raised surfaces of the block. So what they do? We are making the designs on the wooden block now, applying the colors on that. Okay, applying colors on the wooden block. Next, what they do? This block is then pressed upon a piece of cloth to create a pattern. Okay, so next they are taking the cloth. This wooden block is there, no? They are pressing on the cloth. Automatically, the print is present on the cloth or not? Very easy method, no? Same method is they are doing on the paper also. Okay, children. First method is, what is first method? Tie and dye. Second method is block printing. Next we will discuss about the kalamkari. What is the third type of pattern? Kalamkari. Kalamkari. Okay, kalamkari designs. So now we will discuss about the kalamkari type. Listen now. In this method, a special pen or kalam is used to create design on cloth. This process is used in both painting and printing. Okay, so kalamkari design I will say in detail. So when they are preparing the kalamkari designs, no children, it include many, it is done by 23 steps are involving in that. Okay, so how many steps? 23 steps are there. So I am not going to say in detail because some process you did not understand properly. So that is why main process I will say. Okay, not given in the textbook, but you want to know how it is preparing now, but you want to listen carefully, then it is understand. First step, what they do now? They are bleaching the fabric. bleaching. What is meant by bleaching? No, means they can put in a solution. Means already I told, no, the original fiber is in the brown color, so they want to remove that brown color. How they remove? By bleaching method. So when you are going to the parlors, no, you ask your mothers, first they can bleach. So what are that? Anything is dust or dirt is there, no, they can remove. After that only they will do the facial. So bleaching means nothing but the removing the yellow color of the, any color is there, no, color of the cloth. That is the bleaching. Next what they do? They are softening it. After bleaching, softening the cloth. Softening the cloth. Okay. Second, softening cloth. After softening, what they do? No, sun drying. Sun drying. Okay, put that cloth, softened cloth in the sunrise. Sun drying. Next, what is that method? Next method, preparing natural dyes. Preparing natural dyes. Preparing natural dyes. Preparing natural dyes. Already I explained about the natural dyes using the plants and vegetables material. Okay. Next thing is hand printing. Hand printing. Hand printing. Next method is hand printing by different patterns. With the help of that, then they are doing the printing. Okay, on the cloth. Color means nothing but pen, children. In Hindi we are calling no pen, kalam, pen. Okay, listen. Next, air drying, washing. After hand printing, air drying. Air drying. After air drying, next process is washing. Washing. Okay, children. So these are the how many steps? 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay. So these many steps are involved in the kalamkari process. Only you remember, kalamkari means by using the pen they are writing. A special pen, not your pen. In this method, a special pen or kalam is used to create design on the cloth using the special pen. With the help of the pen, no, that is why it is called a kalamkari model. So this kalamkari is used on the paper as well as cloth. Okay, so before doing this, first they want to bleach, soften the cloth, sun drying, preparing natural dyes, hand printing with the help of the color, next air drying, next washing. Okay, so these are the process involved in the kalamkari. What I said, only main process I told. But in this, how many steps are there? No, 23 steps are there, children. If you want the kalamkari models, no, they are doing these preparations by doing the 23 steps. So in that I discussed mainly these types I discussed. Okay, bleaching, softening, sun drying, preparing natural dyes, hand printing, air drying, washing. So this is useful not only making design on the cloth, but also it is useful to write design on the paper also. That is about the kalamkari model. Okay, so first what I told, tie and dye method. Tie and dye. Tie and dye, block printing, kalamkari model. Okay, so this is about the what these are, these model, these steps. What is these types? Means creating the pattern on the, creating the design on the clothes. For that purpose, I explained the 3 models. Okay, 3 patterns I explained. So based on this, I will give some questions to you. Based on this, I will give some questions to you. So what are that? Listen, children. Okay, so we will note down the questions now. So, if you have any doubt, watch the video properly, children. So what are that? See. First question. So what is the first question? Listen now. Name the technique. So this is a totally on the what is today topic only. Name this technique. Name this technique. Name this technique. Name this technique. Okay, wait children. I will write again. Tie and dye method. Tie and dye. Tie and dye method. Tie and dye method. Widely. First I told this one, no? That's why I am giving this. Tie and dye method widely practiced in means in which states? I told about the two states, no? What are that? You should write. Next, name the process. Second one, name the process. Name the process of creating. Name the process of creating patterns. Patterns on cloth using wooden blocks. So this method I explained now. Second method, name the process of creating patterns on cloth using wooden blocks. What that method? You should write. Next, third question. Name the process. Name the process. Name the process in which a column. Yeah, a column is used to create designs on a piece of cloth. On a piece of cloth. Okay, don't afraid. Only these sentences are big, but small words only you want to write. Shall I read again? The tie and dye method widely practiced in which states? Okay, what is that question is? In which states this tie and dye method is using? Next, name the process of creating patterns on cloth using wooden blocks. Using wooden blocks, what that pattern is called? Write down. Next, name the process in which a column is used to create designs on a piece of cloth. Okay, so you should remember here column. Okay, so what is that method? You should write. Here wooden blocks. What is that? You should write. So what we discuss about today? Two topics now. What is that? About which method? Wooden block method and Kalankari method. So based on those two, page number 12. Okay, so read it and write the answers carefully. Send to your WhatsApp group. Okay children, thank you.